Where does the name for Llandygái come from? So today I'm in Llandygái. It's a village and a bit of an industrial estate just outside Bangor in Gwynedd. Let's get into the name. So the name is made of two parts. First we have Llan. Now, Llan means an area of land or a settlement attached to a church, and it comes ultimately from the Proto-Celtic word landor. Now, the second part of it is Dygái. Now, Dygái is the soft mutated form of Tygau, which is the name of a saint, who came here in the 4th or the 5th century. And he's supposedly the son of Ithelhael, one of the princes of Brittany, who was fleeing the Franks. Saint Tygau supposedly came here with his brother, Tacwyn, who gave his name to Llandacwyn near Pentryn Deudraeth, as well as another saint called Cadfan, who was given the island of Ynys Enlli, or in English, Bardsey Island, by one of the kings of Gwynedd, and also set up a church in Llangadfan in Powys. Now, a lot of the village here was built by the Pennant family of nearby Penrhyn Hall as a model village, which was a village for model workers, with no pub. Can you imagine such a thing? So the name literally means the area of land or the settlement attached to the Church of St Tygau. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.